2023 has sucked. Stick around. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the garage, and it has been quite the year so far, and I wanted to take some time to kind of get you guys caught up on what's been going on here at the garage. So let's just dive into it. And there's going to be some changes, and I think you guys will be excited about the changes, so stick around. You'll want to hear about it. But so let's just get down to the ugly about it. Back at the end of last year, Dad got diagnosed with cancer again, and he's had it multiple times. He's beat it multiple times. And so he went in January, had some surgery, had to have another surgery in February, went septic there for a bit. It was touch and go, but he is finally doing better and recovering, on the road to recovery, and so happy about that. But also in January, my mother was diagnosed with cancer, and it was aggressive, and she ended up passing away last month. So this year, like literally up until even last weekend, I was going back down to Oklahoma. I've traveled about half the month, January, February, March, April. I've just been so spread out and just dealing with family stuff. It was a lot to take on all at once. And I appreciate everybody's patience and support and understanding all that stuff. You guys have been great. But because of all that, we're kind of doing a reset here at the garage. And let me explain what we're going to be doing here. We're not doing projects anymore. I'm still going to be doing projects. I'm just not going to be documenting projects for the most part. I'll still do some videos on there, but they're going to be for the members only stuff. So if you're a member on YouTube or you're a patron, you'll get some project videos. But other than that, I'm not going to spend a lot of time doing those videos. Essentially what happens is whenever I'm trying to do a 2-hour job, it ends up taking me all day. And I just, I don't enjoy that side of things. And I'll be honest with you, there's not a lot of, reason for me to be highlighting that stuff, except for the people that want to see it, because there's 1,000 people out there doing that, and so I'm just, that's not what you're here for. You're here for tuning. And so we're going to get back to doing tuning. And so if you'll notice, I'm back in the office. I haven't shot a video in the office for so long, but here's the other side of it. We're going to get back to doing a live show on Thursdays. I miss doing that. I miss interacting with you guys. So probably next Thursday, keep your eyes peeled. We're going to go live Thursday, 8 o'clock Eastern like we used to. We're going to make that a regular thing. We're going to have guests like we've had in the past. I'm going to answer tuning questions. We're going to do all that stuff. And then I'm just going to get back to fundamental tuning stuff. And I'm talking, bite-sized videos of specific topics. And it's going to be basically stuff that you need to know as a tuner, either as an expert tuner or a beginner tuner. And, information on trends that I'm seeing out there. A lot of questions about simple things out there. And so I'm going to make videos just kind of around that stuff. Get back to our bread and butter. So let's talk about 2023 and what's going on. So we're not doing any races this year. I've already given up my spot at Rocky Mountain Race Week 1.0. We're not going to do 2.0 because they're not doing it in Oklahoma. If they're doing it in Oklahoma, we'd try to get back and do that again. But we are going to do one event this year, and it's going to be Hot Rod Power Tour. So the goal is to go to Hot Rod Power Tour in the end of June. We'll be with HP Tuners there. So if you're out on Power Tour, stop by HP Tuners tent, say hi, have any tuning questions. We're going to be there answering tuning questions, things like that. So I'm excited at the opportunity, to go hang out with the guys from HP Tuners and to meet more people. It's going to be a big event, and so I'm hoping to see some of you guys out there. I don't know what car we're going to take yet, but we'll have a car there one way or the other. So that's kind of the wrap up for right now. I wanted to take a couple minutes to kind of clue you guys into what's been going on, give you some background of what's been happening over here, and we're finally getting settled down. I'm happy to just be home for a while and to kind of focus on me and get back to tuning. So listen, I love you guys. Thanks for everything as usual. And listen, you know the drill. ABT, always be tuning.